Good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 58. An example of sex-linked character is A. Color blindness, B. Fingerprint, C. Long-sightedness, D. Mutation, and E. Short-sightedness. Now, what are sex-linked characters? Sex-linked characters are characters determined by a gene located only on the X chromosome. So, they are characters determined by a gene located on only the X chromosome, and that's why we call it a sex-linked trait or sex-linked character, because they are linked only to the X chromosome. Now, sex-linked characters is not linked to the Y chromosome. Take note, it is not linked to the Y chromosome. It is only determined by by a gene on the X chromosome, and that is why a sex-linked trait is actually gotten from a son can only get a sex-linked trait from his mother. Now, this is because being a boy or being a male, you have the XY chromosome, and this Y chromosome is coming from the father, and the X chromosome here is coming from the mother. And since this sex-linked character or sex-linked traits are determined by gene on the X chromosome alone, it simply means that sons can only inherit a sex-linked trait from its mother, because it only receives its X chromosome from its mother. And so that is why a mother can only give a sex-linked trait to her son, not her daughter also. Now, for the female, they have the XX, while for the male, it is XY. So, even if this sex-linked trait is recessive, but because it is on this X chromosome, it will manifest in the son. And that is why sex-linked traits are actually determined by this X chromosome. An example of this sex-linked traits includes the color blindness and hemophilia. And from the option, you see that we have color blindness given to us, which is option A. So color blindness is an example of a sex-linked character or a sex-linked trait. So the answer to this question is option A, color blindness. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.